So you have an amazing social networking application concept and you want to build it, or simply want to get a job as an Android developer by making your resume strong, then this course is especially designed for you. Here we're going to cover a wide range of aspects of building a social networking Android application. In this course, you will learn to build your own backend database and API using MySQL and PHP. And having the knowledge of backend database and API is crucial to be a full-stack Android developer. And in this course, we are going to build a social networking application called Friendster. And by the end of this course, you will have your own social networking application. And even more important thing is that you will have all the knowledge of backend database, APIs and Android framework so that you can build any kind of application that you want. Now let's go and see the features of our social networking application. So first of all, we're going to have the login and sign up feature in our application. And I have opened the final application onto these two emulator. So this one is second emulator and this one is first emulator. And I'm already logged in second emulator. Now let's go and see the login process in our first emulator. So I'm just going to hit this Google sign in button. And once we select the email in here, it is going to fetch the data from the Google server. And we're going to store the user's data in our MySQL database. And we're going to write all of our API using PHP Slim framework to read and write the user's data from the database. So let me select my email. And our login is successful and we are redirected to the home page. Now let's go and see another feature, that is search feature in our application. So I'm just going to click on this button. And from here we can search any user in real time. So let's go and search this user called second emulator. So let's go and click on that. And we are redirected to the profile of second emulator. Now let's go and see another feature in our application, that is friend system. And here you can see this second emulator is already friends with us. And I can unfriend this user from here. So let me unfriend this user. And unfriend is successful. Now let me send the friend request one more time. And once we send the friend request, we got the notification in our second emulator. And it says new friend request, first emulator send you friend request. So let me go and click on this notification. And we are redirected to the notification tab. So let me click on this notification. And we can accept the friend request from here. So as you can see, along with the friend system, we have the another important feature called notification as well. And we're going to send the in-device notification for various events. For example, whenever someone receives the friend request or accepts the friend request. Or it can be other events like whenever someone performs the reaction on our post or make a comment to our post. And as we go on, I'm going to show you live demo as well. So for now, let me show you one more important feature of this application, that is privacy system. So in our second emulator, I'm opening the profile of first emulator. And there is only one post which has the privacy label as public. But let me go to profile of this first emulator. And as you can see, this first emulator has other posts as well with the privacy label friends. So let me accept the friend request from here. And if we refresh this profile, then we will see other posts as well which has the privacy label as friends. So let me refresh this. And as you can see, this time we are loading the post which has the privacy label as friends and public. And we have one more privacy label called only me, and I will show you as we go on. Now let's go and see another feature called date ago feature. And as you can see, this post is made 6 hours ago. So let me swipe down. And this was posted 2 months ago. By the way, let me show you this notification as well. And it says request accepted, second emulator accepted your friend request. And we can click on that. And it will redirect us to the notification tab one more time. Alright, now let's go and see the timeline feature. So let's go to home. And all the posts on this timeline are dynamically generated based upon this user's friends. For example, so our first emulator is actually friends with this real device and second emulator. So whenever these two users upload the status with privacy label public or friends, it will populate our timeline dynamically. By the way, if we get any friend request, then it will appear in here as well. For example, let me go to second emulator. So let's go to friends tab. And here you can see real device is sending the friend request to this second emulator. And we can directly accept the friend request from here as well. Now let me show you how this timeline works. So first of all, I'm going to make a post from here. So let me select the image. So let me select one image from here. And we can write our extra text in here as well. So let me go and use the custom emoji. And I'm going to post this status with privacy level friends. So let me hit post. And our post is successful. And as we know, we are friends with the second emulator. So let me go to timeline of this second emulator. And you can see our second emulator can see the status of first emulator. Now let me go and make a post from this second emulator. And this time I'm going to select the privacy label as only me. So let me select one image. So let me select this one and let's say done. So let's say do while loop. And let's hit post. And our post is uploaded successfully. And remember, we have uploaded the post with privacy label only me, so it will not appear in here. And as you can see, that post is not appearing. But let me go to profile of this simulator. As you can see, this post is only available for this user because its privacy label is only me. And we can click on this post to see the post detail. Alright, now let's go and see another important feature called infinite pagination. So let me go to second emulator timeline. And we can scroll our post infinitely as long as there is data in our server. And initially we are going to load 5 posts at a time from the server. And whenever user reaches to the end of the list, we are going to fetch 5 more new posts from the server. So let me show you that. So here you can see we are loading the new data. So post 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And as you can see, we are going to load 5 more posts from the server. And we can also do the same thing in here as well. So post 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to fetch new data whenever we see the 5th post. So here's our 5th post. And as you can see, we are making the new network call. And we can do this any number of times as long as there is data in our server. As you can see, we have fully functional infinite pagination in our application. Now let's go and see another feature. So in our application, we have the multi-reaction feature like Facebook. For example, we can perform the like operation on this post, or we can also do multiple reaction like Facebook. So let me long press on this and we will get this option. So let me say haha, and we have performed the haha reaction on this post. So let's do the same thing in here as well. So this is the post from first simulator. So let me go and perform the reaction in here. So I just performed the love reaction in here and we got the notification saying new reaction, second emulator reacted on your post. So let me select the another post. So let's go and change this reaction from love to let's say wow. And here you can see we got the another notification saying new reaction on your post. So let me click on this. And here you can see the detailed notification which says second emulator reacted on a post called GoPro 9. So our social networking application has multiple reactions as that of Facebook as well. Now let's go and see another exciting feature. So let me go and make a comment on this post. Let's say nice. So let me hit enter. And our comment is posted and we also got the notification in here. And it says new comment, second emulator commented on your post. And here's the description which says second emulator commented on your post called GoPro 9. Now let's go to this notification. And here's a one comment. So let me click on this. And we can directly reply to this comment as well. So let me perform the reply. So let's say thanks. And our comment is successful and we got the notification in here. And it says new replies, first emulator replied on your comment. So let me minimize this. And here's our multi-level comment system hierarchy. So let me go and perform the one more comment. So let's say 1. And we got the notification. So let's click on that. And it says we have 3 comments. And here's our new comment from second emulator. So our application also supports for multi-level commenting system. Now let me go to profile page. And from here we can change the cover image and profile image. and we can view them as well. So let me go and change the cover image first of all. So let me select this one, and here's our cover image. So let me change the profile image as well, and you can see we have changed the cover image and profile image. So let me go back. So even if I go to profile page, as you can see we have those cover image and profile image, and we can also see the profile image and cover image in full screen, and we can zoom this image as well. So let's do the same thing for our cover image, and this completes the overall feature of our application. And while building this social networking application, you will learn tons of valuable tips and tricks to make your application more secure, testable and scalable. And throughout this course, if you have any problem, I will be there to respond you quickly, so that you will understand every single topic covered in this course. This course is designed for everyone who wants to learn Android application development or want to create their own social networking application. And there is no prerequisites for this course. I will be teaching you from scratch. My name is Kapil Batra with 5 years of building Android app and smart TV apps. I have gathered my years of experience creating this course, and this is already a highest rated course on Udemy. And if you are not satisfied, then you can do refund within 30 days. So you will not going to regret taking this course by any means. And I'm super excited to see what you're going to build with the knowledge from this course. And I'll see you inside the class.